Welcome to this audio explanation on the main components of an Android application. Question: what are the main components of an Android application? Answer: Android applications are built using 4 core components that work together to create a functional app. These components are activities. They provide the user interface and are used for user interaction. Services. They perform long-running operations in the background without a user interface. Broadcast receivers. They listen for and respond to system or application-wide broadcast messages, such as when the battery is low or when the device completes booting. Content providers. They manage access to a structured set of data and enable data sharing between applications. Example: imagine an app that displays content to the user through an activity, downloads data in the background using a service, listens for changes in network connectivity via a broadcast receiver, and allows other apps to query its database through a content provider.